Okay, now with all the screws out except two, I left one in right here and one over here just to hold the pan off, so if it came loose, it won't drop down to the floor. Now this pan moved on its own weight, but sometimes you might need to tap the side of the pan. I do not advise using a screwdriver or anything metallic to pry in between the pan and the transmission casing. What I will do is take the butt end, the handle of a hammer, preferably something with rubber or a mallet. See how it dropped down? Once that is down, you can go ahead and remove these two screws, but balance it because there may be a little bit of fluid